Welcome to our lecture online. With rule number 12, we want to pay special attention to when the exponent applies to the negative sign and when it doesn't. And in this particular case, it's not going to because the negative is not inside the parentheses and the whole thing raised to the n power, which means that the exponent n only applies to x and not to the negative sign. So the rule says that the negative really means -1, which is multiplied times x to the n power, which is exactly what we have here. So it's negative times the quantity x to the n power. We just need to understand that when there aren't any parentheses, it does not apply to the negative sign. As opposed when you write negative, in this case, negative x raised to the n power like this, that means that the negative is also affected by the exponent. So we can write -1 raised to the n power times x raised to the n power. If n is an even number, then it negates the negative sign. So we can write -x raised to the 4th power, which is equal to -1 raised to the 4th power times x raised to the 4th power, which is 1 times x to the 4th power, which is simply x to the 4th power, and the negative sign drops off. But notice, if we don't have parentheses, the negative is not included. So here we have -3 squared. The squared only applies to the 3, so it's -1 times 3 squared, which is 9. -1 times 9 is a -9. Even if the negative is something else like an a, notice the 4 here does not apply to the a, so we have a to the 1st power times b to the 4th power, which means a times b times b times b times b. The 4, the exponent, does not apply to the a. And so it's exactly the same case where it doesn't apply to the a, where it doesn't apply to the negative sign. It's exactly the same thing. -4 raised to the 3rd power is -1. Raised times 4 to the 3rd power, -1 times 64, or -64. So notice, if you take a look at these two, they mean exactly the same thing. The exponent only applies to this number here, not to the -1. It applies to b, not to a. And that is rule number 12.